Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because today we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartwatches of the year, the Apple Watch Series 10, GPS plus cellular 42mm gold titanium case with Gold Milanese Loop. This is not just another smartwatch, it's Apple's most advanced, stylish, and eco-friendly wearable yet. And yes, it's carbon neutral, which means Apple designed this watch to be powerful for you and gentle on the planet. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll notice is the gorgeous gold titanium case paired with the Gold Milanese Loop. It's sleek, luxurious, and incredibly lightweight. Titanium gives it both strength and elegance. It feels premium, but never heavy on the wrist. The 42mm size strikes the perfect balance, large enough for easy visibility, yet comfortable for everyday wear. Apple has refined every curve and finish, so when you wear it, it feels like a piece of jewelry, not just tech. And the best part? It's durable and scratch-resistant, making it ideal for fitness, office work, and formal occasions alike. The always-on Retina display on the Apple Watch Series 10 is brighter and sharper than ever. Even under direct sunlight, everything from your workout stats to your messages looks crystal clear. Apple has fine-tuned the color accuracy and refresh rate, giving you a smooth, fluid experience. So, whether you're checking your heart rate, scrolling through notifications, or glancing at the time, it's effortless and elegant. And when it comes to battery efficiency, the new low-power mode helps you extend usage throughout the day without compromise. Now let's talk about performance. With the GPS plus cellular model, you can stay connected even when you leave your iPhone behind. Make calls, send texts, stream music, or get directions all from your wrist. Powered by Apple's latest chip, the Series 10 is faster and more responsive than ever. Apps load instantly, animations are smooth, and overall navigation feels incredibly fluid. For active users or professionals constantly on the go, this is a huge win. You can run, swim, or travel and stay fully connected at all times. One of the biggest reasons people love the Apple Watch is its health and fitness ecosystem. The Series 10 takes it to the next level. It includes the ECG app, allowing you to take an electrocardiogram right from your wrist. That's hospital-grade technology, available anywhere, anytime. You also get advanced heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, and sleep tracking. Whether you're an athlete or just someone trying to stay fit, this watch helps you understand your body better. The fitness tracker is smarter than ever. It automatically detects workouts, tracks calories, steps, and even encourages you to close your activity rings daily. And with watchOS updates, you get new features regularly, like mindfulness reminders, safety alerts, and improved workout metrics. Here's something special. The Apple Watch Series 10 is carbon neutral. That means Apple has reduced its environmental impact through cleaner materials, renewable energy, and smarter manufacturing. The Gold Milanese Loop is made from recycled stainless steel, and the packaging is 100% fiber-based. If you care about style, technology, and the planet, this watch checks every box. Of course, the Series 10 works seamlessly with your iPhone. You can respond to messages, control your smart home, use Siri, and even make payments using Apple Pay. It integrates beautifully with apps like Apple Music, Maps, and Health. Plus, third-party apps like Strava, Spotify, and Calm are fully optimized for the larger display. Everything about the experience feels cohesive and intuitive, the way Apple intended. If you're someone who values premium design, powerful health tracking, and total connectivity, the Apple Watch Series 10 is perfect for you. Fitness lovers will appreciate its precision and motivation tools. Professionals will love the cellular freedom and elegant design. And tech enthusiasts will admire the performance, display, and sustainability effort. It's not just a smartwatch, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So, should you buy the Apple Watch Series 10 GPS plus cellular 42mm gold titanium case with Gold Milanese Loop? Absolutely, if you want the best combination of style, technology, and wellness in a single wearable. I've dropped my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. By purchasing through that link, you'll get the best price available, and you'll also support this channel at no extra cost to you. Just click the link, check the latest deals, and grab yours today. Trust me, once you wear it, you'll never want to take it off. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below what feature you love most, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, unboxings, and Amazon product deals every week. See you in the next video.